This video sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web, great pricing and customer service. No one compares. When you need a new tool, think Value Testers. Link in description below. Yeah, a lot of guys been asking about the chickens. I'm down to a couple of coops here. There's the old 2-pump chump junior. Just give him some food. He's a good rooster. Yeah, so I'm down to about, I don't know, like 22 chickens. I'm going to get rid of some more come spring, but I'm just down to these 2 coops in the front here. These are all the Easter eggers, all the green egg layers. Had somebody come in and steal a bunch of my chickens, so lost a lot of them. That's a beautiful rooster right there. Buck it! Buck. Buck, 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 buck. Buck it! But anyway, give him some food over here. I'll be alright. So they got food and water inside their coops. Yeah, I'm down to 2 coops. I shut down Menopause Manor. Yeah, so I'm just down in these 2 front coops here. It's easier for the winter. I don't have to worry about. It's easy to get to. I got Menopause Manor in the back coop shut down, but I'm not going to use them. I'm going to get rid of some of these chickens. It's too much work. Just a little update on the chickens. A lot of people have been asking me about that. It's 45 degrees here today. January 25th. Flipping crazy winter. Gonna be in the 40s all week. Crazy.